What is SSD Dedicated Server Hosting? Dedicated Server Hosting is the most feature-packed hosting solution that hosts only one website at a time. SSD Dedicated Server Hosting uses solid-state drive storage to offer more performance and reliability. Let's take a closer look at SSD Dedicated Server Hosting and understand its benefits. It's fast. A solid-state drive offers a significantly and consistently higher performance than a regular hard disk. This ensures that an SSD dedicated server offers much higher performance than a regular dedicated server. It's robust. With HDDs, losing all your data due to unexpected impacts or shocks is a legitimate concern. An SSD does not have any moving parts, so it remains functional even after being jostled. It's reliable. Historically, a majority of hard disks have been known to fail at some point in time. An SSD, which doesn't rely on moving parts to carry out its basic function, is much more reliable. It's low maintenance. As hard disks wear out over time, they must be replaced frequently to maintain a consistent performance. Solid-state drives, on the other hand, last longer, need infrequent replacement and are thus quite low maintenance. It's efficient. Hard disks use up a significant amount of energy for powering its read-write mechanism. SSDs use very little energy, which generates less heat, which in turn delivers significant power savings. Reseller Club's SSD dedicated hosting is powered by fast and efficient SSDs for higher performance. Give your website a powerful hosting platform that offers better overall efficiency, data protection, and reliability.